Welcome back to the ISNaD review tutorial series. In Module 01, we fill the newly created project with data. A reproducible systematic review always starts from files exported by an indexing database, because those files can be attached and rechecked by others. We will take the file route, then inspect the import before moving on to deduplication. Let us begin by reopening the project we created in the previous module. In the Workflow sidebar, the first stage is Collect. Click Import Data inside it. The Import Data page opens, offering 3 different routes. Upload Files handles exports from Scopus, Web of Science, or a reference manager. Search Databases queries, open Alex, Semantic Scholar, and Scopus directly, with no file at all. Add one paper adds a single article by hand, for instance, something found through hand searching. In this module, we take the first route because it is the easiest one to account for. Below the tabs sits the drop zone, a wide area where files are dropped or picked. 5 formats are accepted, namely RIS, BibTeX, CSV, TSV, and Excel. RIS and BibTeX preserve metadata best, while CSV and Excel are looser and need their columns checked. Let us choose the files. Several files can be uploaded together in a single import. The list of selected files now appears, each with a format badge and its file size. That badge is your first check, and the Add More Files button still lets you append further files. Now press Upload and Import to parse every file and load them into the project. The wizard moves to Step 2, Preview, and shows the Import Successful summary. This summary states how many records came in and from how many files. When more than one file is used, the breakdown is shown per file, so failures are easy to trace. Below it, the Preview table shows the first 10 records. Its columns run title, authors, year, journal, and DOI. This is the decisive check. Make sure every value has landed in the correct column. A title spilling into the authors column or an empty year means the file mapping needs fixing. Watch the abstract as well, because empty abstracts will cripple the screening model later on. At the top of the page sits a 4-step indicator marking where you are. The order runs Upload, Preview, Deduplicate, and Done, following the identification stage of Prisma. It is worth knowing that an import never overwrites old data. New records are always appended. When the project already holds data, a banner appears stating how many records are already there. That banner offers a View Dataset button, so you can inspect the project before adding more. Press Continue to move on to the deduplication step. We stop here because deduplication and record browsing are covered in full in Module 03. The raw records are now inside the project, and we have verified how their metadata was mapped. In the next module, we take the file-free route, searching OpenAlex, Semantic Scholar, and Scopus directly. See you in Module 02.